what we're going to look at now are letters like the H, M, N, F, and R, which have straight lines with humps. Okay, so let's start with the H, M, N, and then it should be easier to go with the F and R after that. So our H is simply going to be our straight line down, just like that, right? And remember, the H is an ascender, so we're going to start the letter here, right here with the, in the line, okay? We're going to take it up and down. Again, notice, because of the angle with our pencil, we have this thin line here that opens up then into a thick line. Again, this is what makes letters beautiful. So our straight line down, we start right about here, we take it up until our pencil touches the top, and then we bring it down and kind of curve it there. Close it up, and close it up, and we have the H. Now, the N is going to be this part of the H. So the N is just simply the line here, because the end is not an ascender, okay? And then starting here, you go up and down. Close it off, and there's your N. All right? So the N is really just a shortening of this line here. Now the M is just a double N. But like the W, it's not going to take up the two spaces. It will take up one space and about a half or 3/4 of one. But it's exactly the same as the N. You have the line down, take it up, down. Here we have an N, and all we do is grab right here, only not on the inside like the other ones, but right here, and we take it up and down. Close it off, close it off, close it off, and there's our M. All right? So again, it's exactly the same movement as the N, but you start here to add the other hump to it. So here we have the H, N, and M, which are exactly the same shapes. The difference is the length and the double. All right. The letters that I want to add to this one are F and R, just because they don't really fit into other places. So since the F is an ascender, we're going to start it here. But instead of starting a straight line like this, okay, this is straight down. With the F, we want to start here and kind of move this way and then down. So this is not straight down like this, but rather it comes down, right? And you go to exactly the same place and you close it right there. Close it, close it. Let's make our line like the T. Start right about here and take it across. There we go, there's our F. Okay, this will close up here actually. Now, with the F, you've got the idea pretty much about the R also, because the R is just our line, and the same thing. You go up and you stop right there. That's it, right there. Close it up. So it's almost like making an N, but you're closing it much earlier. If this were an N, we would take it up and down, and we would continue down. But for the R, let's stop right there. All right. So here we have our letters with the straight lines and the humps, our H and M, F, and R.